Hello everyone, my name is Raymond Villanueva. I will explain the probability equation. The first is basic probability formula. The probability formula is we have the probability of T equal to 1 of a favorable outcome over to total outcome. And the example is 3B and then B then 3. So over to 10.3. And the number 2 is the complement rule. The complement rule is when it does not happen. The example is P is equal to not E, probability not E, and then equal to 1 probability E, and 0.2 is equal to 0.2. And then which is equal to 0.8 or 80%. And the number 3 is the coin toss probability. The example of probability is P probability and it's equal to 1 over 2 and then 1 over 2 or 1 over 2 or 0.5. As the number 4 is rolling a die. The die is probability 4 is equal to 1 over 6. 1 out of 6 or 3.7. The last but not the least, number 5 is the mutual exclusive event. The example of mutual exclusive event rule. A or B, the probability A or B, probability A plus probability 2 or 5B out of 6. 1, 6 equal to 2, 6. The 1/3. That's all the 10 probability formula. Again, my name is Raymond Villanueva. That is the example of 10 probability formula.